For so long.
Oh.
Yeah, she did it! Hey guys, we are out today at the Cairo cabin. The design is called The Outpost. It's from a company called Den. We started working on this, I don't even know. I think January 2022 is when we started looking for land. So it is so surreal to be here looking at something that we've been literally imagining every single day for the past 2.5 years. It is truly wild. As you can see, it's a very, very, very small cabin. And it's also stick built, which means that it's built from the ground up. It's not prefabricated or anything like that. And it's also on a pier and beam foundation, so that's why it kind of looks like it's floating. And I'm into it. I kind of want it to stay that way. But let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think we should put bushes around it or wood or something? Let me know. Okay, it's starting to rain, so let's wrap this up. Okay, I had to put my raincoat on because it started to rain a little bit. But let me show you just a little bit of the exterior of Let me show you a little bit of the exterior. Also, we're thinking about putting a deck somewhere on the Cairo cabin, so either on this side or that side. Let me know if you have a preference. A window here that wraps around, and this is the bathroom, so it'll be really nice when you're taking a bath or a shower. And then around here, you can see the house drops off, or the land drops off, and the house kind of hangs over, so you get a lot of privacy, which is great because this entire wall right here is windows. So that's really cool. We have our septic, our well, so we're kind of like off grid, I guess, except for electricity. All right, let me show you guys the inside. So I guess we'll have to put steps here or something so that people can get in a bit easier. She has to get a running start. Come on, Olive! Yeah! Good job. Okay, obviously it's a construction zone in here, but I'll show you where everything is going to be. So this right here, right when you turn to the right, is the bathroom. And so we're gonna have a sink here, the toilet here, and then a little baby sinking tub right here. And this window will wrap around and be really nice. And we decided to do the bathroom like all green tile and then heated floors as well. Also, were these gonna be pocket doors?
No. We were thinking about this one, but that one will be a normal one.
Oh, we want the bathroom to be a normal door because how annoying is a pocket door for the bathroom? Okay, that's not sealing anything. That's not keeping anything in or out. We want a real door for the bathroom. And then behind this will be our utility catch-all closet. So when you walk in here, there will be washer, dryer, space to store your luggage or whatever. And then like cleaning supplies will be in here. And then we'll also have our electric and water tank in here too. A tankless, yeah. So that'll be, oh my gosh, that'll be really cool. And this might have a sliding door just to save space because space is quite limited in here. We're gonna have nice hardwood floor right here. And then you come in and this whole wall is windows. 15% of the budget, ladies and gentlemen, is this wall. And it's all gonna be really, really high-end windows because the Catskills gets really warm in the summer and humid, but then it also gets freezing cold and snowy in the winter. So we had to get windows that could withstand both for decades to come. And then if we turn here, this is gonna be the kitchen area. And we upgraded to do a full kitchen. So we're going to be doing your sink. We might be doing a gas range. We're in between gas and electric right now. Oven, everything that you would need in a nice little compact kitchen right here. We measured it. It's actually the same size as our kitchen in New York City. So we're pretty used to these things. We're gonna have some nice shelving and cabinetry here and storage, and that's gonna be everything you need. And then right here, or right here, we're gonna be doing a fireplace, a wood burning real fireplace, which is gonna be really cozy when this is all snowy and white, and it's just gonna be the coziest room you've ever lived in your life. This is going to be another window. This one you can open because you can't open these big ones, but this will be nice to open in the summertime to get the breeze to come through. And then right here, we're going to do a really nice couch, like the comfiest, deepest, coziest couch you've ever seen. I want to do a really high-end pull-out couch somehow, so we're researching options for that. And then we'll have a ladder here, which we're trying to get really creative about to go up to the loft, which is where the bed is going to be, and maybe like a chair and like a projector or a TV or something can be up there as well. And yeah, the window up there, they haven't cut that one yet. Yeah, it's really, really small, but it's really efficient, and it's gonna be very minimal. I can't believe it's actually like physical. Yeah, we're gonna do drywall on the walls and the roof or the ceiling, but now we're like thinking like, oh my gosh, it's so white. It'll be so white, but we're doing really pretty hardwood floors. And you know, this really is all this green here, and it'll be white in the winter, and it'll be beautiful yellow in the fall. That's really the main thing. It's looking pretty good. I'm excited about the next phase. It's all moving very quickly. It feels taller than I was expecting. Shorter, but taller than I was picturing. But it's wild to be here. Olive, what do you think? Do you have opinions? That's all that needed to be said. It's really wild. These windows, I think the order time, what was it? They said like 3 months, so we had to order those a long time ago. But our contractor, the Amendola Group, they're amazing. Very communicative. So if you're building in this area, you gotta hire them because we've been extremely impressed. If you guys have any ideas on landscaping, we have like this area down here, and then we have this like 30-foot drop. So I'm like, what should I do with this? Should we do like ferns or something maybe there to make it really pretty? And then we want to do a hot tub and a sauna, maybe like down there. Because we own all of this land too, which is really cool.
There's a creek down there.
There's a creek. It's really, really lovely. And, you know, animals like deer and black bears will come through. We don't want to disturb it too much. If you guys have any suggestions for the Cairo cabin, let us know, because it's being built and this is the time when we got to make decisions. So if you're like, do this, do that, Erin, I've done this before, or maybe you haven't done it before, but you just have opinions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. This is the update. Hopefully, I'll see you soon with another update. Oh, what do I usually say at the end of my videos? You got this, and I'll see you next time. It feels weird to not be in my office saying that.